Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone K12. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels. Approximately 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel. Density, 1100 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS 26mm Sony LYT600 wide angle camera, along with 8 megapixel 16mm Sony IMX355 ultra-wide angle camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 26mm wide angle front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.63 GHz single-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.4 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.47 by 75.33 by 8.37 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. The color options: dark chrome, celadon marble colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, infrared remote control, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO K12 has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, and around $262 and 72,999 Pakistani rupees, and 21,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 2,099 Chinese yuan, and around $290 and 80,999 Pakistani rupees, and 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,499 Chinese yuan, and around $345 and 95,999 Pakistani rupees, and 28,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO K12 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments. section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.